So hello everyone. Once again, it's me Sus Vlog Channel. So today is my little young boy's birthday. So the parent is not here. We just celebrate with me and my friend Juan. And Juan cook some pancit, of course, the Filipino style. Yan yung mga friend niyang invited kasi wala siyang friend. We're going to have a party when the parents come back from the holiday. So as always, this is his cake. The beautiful cake. Yan. So this is a little bit celebration for today's Nikita's 1-year-old birthday. So as you can see guys, the fruit cake, berries, blueberries, red berries, and strawberry on the top. And of course, not but not least, our sushi for today. So yan yung a little bit celebration namin dito for today sa aking alaga. May little bit balloon na inilagay ko. Ako lang nag-decorate niyan kasi nga para naman ma-feel ang aking alaga na natutuwa siya, may nakita siyang balloon, di ba? Yung parents niya kasi is nasa travel, so kami lang nag-celebrate kasama ako at ang aking kaibigan si Joan, which is siya yung nagluto ng pancit for today. So ayan, tikman natin, parang ang sarap. So ayan.
Ano ko kukuha? Grabe ko.
Para hindi masira ang beauty.
Wala, nagkaroon na siya.
Ayan ang handa namin for my Nikita's to this birthday. Ayan, my favorite sushi is mixed actually. Ayan, mixed siya. My fish. It look yummy. Try nga natin ang pancit, Jo. Can we try the pancit? Akin na daw ang plate, please. Ayan, ito yung niluto namin Filipino pancit for today. Sana masarap.
Maliit na plato? Hindi, maliit.
Okay na yung maliit. Ayan. Pakita ka naman ng aking kaibigan na nagluto ng pancit. Ayaw niya daw. Simple lang ang celebration namin. Kasi nga, ano lang, tayo. Kami lang naman. Kaming dalawa lang naman at ayan. Ito lang yung celebration ng aking little young boy. So, let's enjoy the food, guys. Especially ang aking favorite one, sushi.
2 buwan dumating yung ano.
Ano?
2 buwan siya sa bakasyon.
Saan sila nag-vacation?
Pumunta ng Indonesia, Bali.
So, hello everyone! This is a little bit celebration with my little boy, young Nikita. And of course, our sushi that we order. Yan, ipakita ko lang sa inyo. And of course, his cake. The healthy cake, the tasty one. And our pancit. And their invited friend on the table. So, diba?